Hello to all dear friends and companions. My name is Hamza Asadi from Cyrus Computer Tip and Tricks channel. I'm at your service with another tutorial to change the custom boot priority to boot the system through Flash USB. As I mentioned in another tutorial, the key used to enter the BIOS page on PC is mainly the delete key. And for laptops, the key is F2. And for direct access to boot menu, in most laptops, the F12 key is used. One of the most used motherboards is the Asus motherboard that has its own firmware. In this tutorial, we will examine a PC with an Asus motherboard. Asus motherboards support both the delete and F2 key to enter the BIOS. Initially, by pressing the delete or F2 key, we enter the BIOS setting page. In the bottom right section, we see the boot priority. This firmware model supports the mouse. With the mouse on desired device, which is a USB flash drive here, click on it, drag it and drop it in the highest part so that it has the highest priority. Here we can save the changes by pressing F10 and boot the system via USB flash by rebooting. But if we want to see the advanced setting, we must enter advanced mode by pressing the F7 key. In the boot menu and at the bottom, we can see the boot option priority. In the front of boot option 1 that have highest priority, we change the boot option to USB flash from the drop-down menu. Finally, we save the setting from the exit menu and the save changes and restart option so that the system is restarted and booted through flash. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support me with likes and subscriptions. And finally, I must say that English is not my native language. So if you notice any problem in wording or pronunciation, I would greatly appreciate it if you let me know in the comment section. Thank you.